Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be seeing Inji Puli. The first step would be soaking the tamarind in warm water for about 2 hours. The next, you have to grate the ginger and chop the green chilies finely. In a pan, roast the fenugreek seeds, dry roast them until they are crisp. Do not burn them out. And then grind it to a fine powder. In the same pan, heat gingerly oil. Add in the mustard seeds. As it splutters, you can add the red chilies followed by curry leaves. And then now we can add the grated ginger and green chilies. Keep stirring until the complete ginger is coated with oil. Now pour in the extracted tamarind water. And let it cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, keep stirring so that it doesn't get stuck to the bottom of the pan. Let it boil for another few minutes. Now we can see the quantity has reduced, the water quantity is reduced and it has become too thick. Now add in the jaggery. Keep stirring until it's completely melted. Add in the salt and the dry roast fenugreek powder. This is the main flavoring agent of this recipe. You can now see it has almost condensed well and a glaze is formed with the oil. Once cooled, you can store this in refrigerator for about 3 months. It tastes yummy with curd rice or simple dal chawal. Enjoy this recipe. Do like, share and subscribe. See you all.